morning, everyone. Just got here to the beach. And people are already starting to get here. So you guys better come quick before everything is jam-packed. What a view, guys, from my beach house. My beach house. They closed up a lot of sections here at Dana Point. I don't know why, but I'm glad that I got here as soon as they opened. All right, guys, get over here quick. It's gonna be a beautiful day here. Let me show you my privacy room. Can't even see inside. What a view. I'm not gonna lie, but that van is growing on me. It's pretty nice, 4x4. Look at our setup. That's his. That's his. That's mine.
I don't think I could put that on mine.
Yeah.
No, he has that.
You need the 180 I told you about. Look at this.
Little 8-foot one, and that's
Yeah. This is the crew. More are coming. Our setup.
Everybody's here. Javier, say hi.
Hi! Making some shrimp tacos.
We got some al pastor, pork belly. Oh shoot. What do we got here? We got some pancit.
Yeah.
We got some chicken salad. Cool. Got all the kids here.
Check this out, guys. Chicken al pastor. Ooh, I forgot the name of that. Some beef, shrimp. Ooh. Everything here.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, I'm here with my nieces. Say hello, Caro. Say hello, Vanessa. What, Vanessa? Say,
Bubble Queen SoCal. Hashtag.
That's more like a gang tag.
Is that what I'm saying? Hashtag.
Yeah.
Bubble fun.
Bubble.
Giant bubbles.
Woo! Chris, how was the day, Chris? Amazing. Yeah.
Can't wait to do it again.
Yep. Every year we come here. Every year. Yeah, I'm like.
Retake.
Yeah, retag.
Retake.
Yeah. Packing up already. And we are saying goodbye. Till next time.